And we are back with another video here about the product from NiteCore, and this one is the NiteCore NTP31. This is a tactical pen. Basically you have two possibilities here. It's the pen here and also the glass breaker. Now it is basically switched off. So to activate the glass break, just push up here the button, or however you want to call it, and now it's you can see the glass breaker. Very simple operation. Or push it down to use it as a pen. NTP31, very compact, very lightweight. It's just about 20 grams. If you got any questions, you can also check out the online store for Switzerland, weatheroutdoor.ch. The link will be displayed in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'm now looking forward to your message, and depending on your location also to your order. See you soon in the next video.